Takulandirani pano pa Malawi Live Today. Osaiwala kupanga like ndi subscribe ku channel cha Malawi Live Today.
What did I tell you today?
You said we should not work.
What are you doing today?
We called your PA asking what we should do. He said we should fix.
What did I tell you? Who is the PA? Who gave the number for the PA?
He gave me the number.
Malawi. Who is he?
Number
for what reason?
After 2 hours. Then I called you. The
minister, and Nduna and that was it.
And it's those people work for evidence. You guys are stupid. You're playing with games. No max. This is very last year, and each laborer is supposed to carry maximum 23 kilograms, but they're carrying 50 kilograms bags. They're supposed to use machinery, they're not doing that. And the minimum pay, they're not meeting it. That's why I'm coming to inspect. So I'll visit every place in this area. Then I'll meet the laborers on their own roadship. Then I'll meet you afterwards. Then we'll deal with this issue decisively. Because you are making money from this.
Play nicely in court, okay? But what I want to do is today, right now, closing operations until we work on all these issues. You understand? I don't need to hear from you because I've seen for myself. I've heard from the laborers whose pride is what I'm concerned about. Just from your office, how filthy it is. Your own office, look at this. Then what can happen to the warehouse? And because your people were refusing to open the gate for us, we had to wait for 10-15 minutes there because that guy was stopping us from entering. That's another violation. Because
because they don't understand.
Whatever, whether you're told or not, but the thing is, you stopped us, and it means you don't understand the laws of Malawi. You must familiarize yourself with the laws of Malawi and what this country expects from you people like you. So the operations are very close. And I want by tomorrow, Mr. Labor Commissioner, I want by tomorrow your work permit in my office. All the people I've seen 5 Chinese here so far. I want their work permits and their other permits.
You mean a visa?
A visa, yes.
Yeah, we all have a visa. Yeah.
They want their visa. Also want their names, their visas, and their qualifications. Because I'm seeing other supervising, which is the work Malawians can do. We don't need Chinese to do better work. You understand? Yeah. So I want by the end of this tomorrow, the names of the Chinese expatriates here, their visas, and their CVs. You understand? And their qualifications. We'll verify on our system, we'll verify because I know I've worked in Chinese before, for 10-15 years. I know what they do sometimes. So I know how to check that.